Senjuk Kirangbakur Kabriu Hinyotrep on the 24th of August 2023 had sought clarification from the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, Pinyat Singh's aim on the recalling of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District, Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration, Bill 2022, which is intended to secure and preserve the identity, culture, and tradition of the community. Leaders of the Senjuk had informed that through the Lineage Act, there are several cases whereby children of non-tribal mothers have been able to adopt their tribal father's surname through an affidavit. On the other hand, the Clan Act will ensure the authority and position of the uncle as mediator between families insofar as interclan marriages are concerned. At the same time, the Act will enable a check on and prevention of marriages amongst females of the Khasi community and non-tribal males, informed the members of the Senjuk. A request by the Senjuk Kirangbakur Kabriu Hinyotrep was also placed before the council to once again take over from the state government as the issuing authority of scheduled tribe certificates to members of the general public. While informing that the Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 has been recalled by the expert committee of the state government's Department of District Council Affairs to the KHADC, the chief executive member of the KHADC, Pinyat Singh's aim, added that the customary law committee, headed by Bindu M. Lanong, will examine the bill for its defects should there be any. The CEM of the KHADC further urged upon clans within the Khasi community to register the committees with the council so as to enable monitoring of marriages as per established law.
Magajing sokya jong kasenjuk kalong halo dia kajing penpai no plan bill bagi kuat tip ki daw ki observation bagi sarkar ka penpai no ke bill ti rei kini ki bar khoj empat simala ban ya keren ba namar ba kadang long confidential maka don ke komiti ya ke ba council kala don lupa pakani ke komiti kan sepit benia nakaliang kasenjuk ru ngilaw wanra ye ki arteli pat ki kerteng ki ba mi budli ha ki jakka jong argut ki thot ki bla khlat no sakani ke komiti pat ni dokumen ba nakaliang jong CM ula priang ye gani ni teng bat ka shong ha ka isi kuno pat ba kin ya pat ka nakaliang sunjuk hi kwa ba kan state no ye kani ka kam ka ba sa ban pendep no ye kani ke clan bill ba kan poino sa ka thong khnang ba nila ru ya ka banang penia chaprang ki kur ki ba pon ba don preng jong kiru ki bala jan tu no don par ki pat organize ni don kam ban pen klan chu ye kini te nakaliang jong CM ru ula menjur ba nakaliang jong unsa pemi no skoi ka order ke step order ha kumno ban nangwa ban register no ikikur hapo ka council hakini ki si ki banangwan khnang ban penya step ya ka kam pat ki nolor kiniru nakaliam jong usiam ru la menjur ba un yarap ki jingdot kam ka senjuk namar bangi ka senjuk ru diwan hangi om bangin wan persya andagi wan ban kersyan ki jing persyang jong ka district council ka isi po jigelam itu ban ai ben sim ban ai ke bit ke bor na mangila ban i ba ki kam ki yat bet ga jing sinchan yung ki kur ki long jaj ga bri jung i netre
kasim kur kepada ya jing pekala kur ya ketinjaj kam tam ya ki tu ki bla yolok ki khlajaj kumno ki hapan wan chani ban yo e Khasi tribe certificate kita baro kila don kam stang ban pentrai kam tikna bat pentrai kam klan ya kan di desa kan itu pun anda kalawan ke Clan Administration Act anda kena ke bill ke klan kan nang klan susu kan ka jingte rakam bat jing secara ikut kijai bat ya kabri bat ya poro kabri nyom ter dak ba kan wan long an kan ke Clan Administration Bill hakaba ikut kijai kin yo ikabor kabisisya lembaka kata kan ke basic issue pi nomor beli mano ban identify udai mano Khasi kadega this council haji sisa nado pasangi kabor kaban issue ka social tribe certificate kadidangi kada idon ngijing ya get itinya cilik snat dan topor is transfer no si state ba tagala dai kapor ka bakan man pai no si kata no do nomor beli gini ki an ki ban telakam ki an ki ban pensiong long de udah kasih ki an ki ban itu ya ki beli di badai sisa nagi kor kasih kadon hangne polis council
kani ka bill ka kren shapang ka thau shapang kumno bangi kum ka council ngenang yo ya ka bor banang penklan shushu ban penskan shushu ya ka riti dustur habide kalong kur long jat jungi te kumban shu pentip de se nimduna shu kum ka jat benreu khasi bangin don kumba lai hajar sanspa teliki kur te bat hadu kat kini kisngi menta nyop husnam kala don kat council nimpat don ya kanunu ka an ban nang penklan shushu ya ka jingtrekam jong kiniki benta jong ka kur kajat apok ka jat yu khasi te sultanat bahakani katem ga jungi menta daga jingi trelang bat baro lai pungut ki MDC layo benwan ra kenika administration of Klanbil aja puar te ngila lap badan katu kat ni kita kimat kiba desi kiba kongsan kiba nakaliang ka law department ka DCA ka kedau hangiban pek beniak dia te habidi bakani ka jingwan jengki ki sinjuk jengki nong elam rang bakur jong ka briu new trap nakaliang jungi ngila ni penpau ke jingkeman dengan pindo itu bat kumju ru kilawan ra hangi ke jing terwa ban penrung duhat sa armut kata kebakan trup ia iba Erwin K Sutunga bat iba rap bla dan nakaliang jungi ngin penstep bat ban penkloy no ban notify ia kini ki members nang bakani ke committee habidip kani ke customary law committee belak klik kum chairman dei ba BM lano ba bindo ba inyo ban court meeting no ban yo ban review ye kiniki observation ke baka state government min baka DCA ka betha ini nakaliang jungi ka isi bat mai menta na shkwa ban pentip bangin wanra ekawe ka isi order executive order kat bampat long an kenika administration of Klanbil but kenika executive order kan long bangin penbena ling baka notification syabaro ki it ki hima ki shnong ki thau ba kino ki kur ki belak don laki jong ki committee kur ki joki ki belak don laki jong ki president ki secretary bakin wan ban register no ya ka kur ke jong ki bat ka district council kani di kebadon kamha bat kani di ka simjam ke beningkong ke benile kenang ba ngin itu no ya kini ki sengkur ki ba pher ki ba ki kur ki jongki lala ki jongki kur ki la de banjit ikinongkit kam kenang ba nang aibor no yaki rang ba kur yaki nongkit kam hapok ka kur kat kum ki riti ki an ki ba ngidon ka bor na kalian kan sponsor benile te kani kan one haka executive order but ya kani kat bampak long an kan nang terekam kani ka executive order